Welcome, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here for this explainer. Today, we're unpacking something that honestly reads like a high-tech cinematic thriller, but get this, it's actually unfolding right now in the real-world data of the Sigma BankAI ecosystem. We're diving deep into the raw metrics to decode an epic origin story. We're talking decentralization, viral economic loops, and literally unprecedented algorithmic scale. If you're fascinated by how digital platforms evolve into complex financial architectures, you are in exactly the right place.
Now, before we get into the numbers, I want you to hold this really provocative concept in your mind. What if your passive digital footprint, the videos you watch, the links you click, the messages you send, what if that actually makes you an active structural component of a decentralized network? Seriously, think about it. What if casually sharing a meme in your group chat is actually you acting as a functional validator node for a brand new financial system? We're actually skipping a standard agenda today because the sheer momentum of this data revelation completely demands it. We're looking at a massive paradigm shift where passive consumption just vanishes, replaced by active protocol participation.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. The signal in the noise.
We really need to start by looking at where this all began, because, every revolution starts with a precise metric frequency, not some loud roar. We're winding the clock back to the June 12th baseline data. On the surface, the platform was sitting quietly at 3,008 subscribers and roughly 186,000 view pulses. Honestly, it looked like standard platform analytics. But if you knew exactly where to look, there was a hidden signal cutting right through that noise. Notice the anomaly in the numbers here? On our June 12th baseline, the data showed 625 shares compared to only 214 comments. Now, in typical social media dynamics, comments usually outpace or at least closely track with shares. But here, the share-to-comment ratio is totally inverted. This was the network speaking in whispers. This specific ratio indicated that something massive was happening off-platform. Information wasn't just sitting in the public comment sections, it was moving somewhere else entirely.
And that somewhere else is what we call dark social. This is an absolutely critical concept to grasp. It represents web traffic that moves invisibly through private encrypted pipelines. Think WhatsApp groups, direct messages, private group chats, rather than out in the open on public feeds. This off-platform flow of data is exactly how the I'm in movement was born. It wasn't forced by some algorithm. It was a totally organic word-of-mouth phenomenon spreading like wildfire through trusted peer-to-peer digital pipeline. Fast forward 58 days to August 9th, and things get extremely urgent. Section 2, the Zero-CAC viral engine.
Over those 58 days, the entire landscape changes. The quiet whispers of dark social have compounded into a roaring engine. And it's time to unveil the hidden machinery driving this decentralized network into absolute overdrive. To understand this machinery, you have to understand Zero-CAC. CAC stands for Customer Acquisition Cost. In traditional corporate fintech, acquiring just a single new customer costs hundreds of dollars in performance ad spend. It's kind of like buying expensive digital billboards and just hoping someone looks. But on the unified Sigma platform, through this dark social arbitrage, the cost is mathematically zero. Instead of paying for ads, the system uses decentralized, peer-to-peer propagation. Viewers take a video, they hit share, and they blast it into their own encrypted WhatsApp communities. It's literally the power of a friend texting you directly, but scaled globally.
So the crucial point is the acquisition cost is absolutely $0. Why does this matter? Well, because in this ecosystem, every viewer isn't just consuming content. They're actually propagating a financial protocol. The media channel acts as a decentralized onboarding portal. Every single new subscriber brought in through those private WhatsApp shares automatically operates as a potential digital wallet and a validator node within the Sigma BankAI infrastructure, and the network acquired them for absolutely nothing.
Which brings us to our explosive next phase. Section 3. Exponential engagement velocity.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this Zero-CAC engine doesn't just grow the network linearly, it literally causes it to explode. Just look at the sheer compounding velocity that occurred during that 58-day window between June and August. The raw speed of this expansion is just staggering. Check out the hyper-engagement we're seeing. Views nearly doubled, jumping from roughly 186,000 all the way up to over 351,000. Likes climbed 75%. But notice that third metric. Comments surged by over 112%. This proves we aren't just looking at vanity growth or passive clicking. An over 112% increase in comments represents an ultra-dense signal of audience activation. This is algorithmic leverage at its absolute finest, proving the ecosystem was operating at peak velocity.
So, moving from raw velocity to the mathematical sequences behind it all, we arrive at Section 4, the golden ratio horizon.
You see, with velocity like that, the growth isn't just random. Nature and financial markets, they both move in predictable mathematical sequences, and the network's growth actually maps directly to the Fibonacci curve. The jump from our initial 3008 baseline up to 4001 subscribers was roughly a 1.33 multiplier, basically the first harmonic step. But when we apply the transformative golden ratio, which is roughly 1.618, directly to our original 3008 baseline, the math predicts a massive natural inflection point. That equation points us to a target of approximately 4,867 subscribers, putting the network on a direct, high-speed collision course with the critical 5,000 threshold.
And 5,000 is for sure the magic number here. It isn't just some vanity milestone for a digital channel. No, hitting 5,000 nodes represents a 2.0x metric velocity threshold across all core engagement vectors. We're talking shares, comments, and views. At this specific node density, the network effects are fully triggered. The unified Sigma platform fundamentally transforms from being just a media channel into a completely self-sustaining economic engine.
And that structural shift leads us right into the climax of our data journey today. Section 5, activating the validator network.
So what exactly happens when that engine turns on? Crossing that 5,000 node threshold causes a structural shift across the entire ecosystem, and this brilliantly illustrates exactly how this architecture activates. Think of this like a massive system powering up in sequence. First, passive audiences completely transform into a functional validator footprint, with the system metric hitting those 5,000 active nodes. Second, the Fibonacci harmonic dictates the scaling, pulling the levers of that golden ratio to hit the threshold totally organically. Third, network velocity takes over, triggering exponential compounding once views, comments, and shares hit that 2.0x multiplier. And finally, the economic engine comes online, utilizing that encrypted dark social loop on WhatsApp to drive peer-to-peer onboarding, locking in that beautiful $0 customer acquisition cost.
Basically, this architecture moves through 4 really powerful structural transitions. Step 1 is the decentralized node deployment, confirming our baseline and establishing the foundation. From there, it accelerates into Step 2, activating the viral dark social loop, leveraging encrypted messaging to totally bypass traditional ads. This immediately forces Step 3, compounding engagement velocity, where the algorithmic recommendation perfectly aligns with direct peer-to-peer distribution, shifting everything from linear to exponential growth. And finally, the ultimate realization, Step 4, the autonomous economic transition, where the media platform officially functions as a live financial gateway, driving wallet creation and decentralized financial services.
Let's move to and see how this builds specifically around Step 1, node deployment. The data shows us that reaching 4001 subscribers was absolutely vital because it served as the proof of concept. It confirmed the initial node distribution. But hitting that 5,000 subscriber critical mass, that's what actually unlocks full network decentralization. It establishes a highly resilient validator topology, which is just a technical way of saying the network becomes unbreakable, ensuring fault tolerance and rapid transaction verification across the entire BankAI ecosystem. Every single view, every share, and every comment accelerates the deployment of this platform. As the source material beautifully puts it, you aren't just watching history, you are validating it. Welcome to the future of decentralized banking and virtual innovation. I'm in. That is such a powerful realization. The audience literally is the infrastructure.
I want to leave you with this final lingering thought. Based on the metrics, the math, and the structural transitions we've explored today, the system is designed to activate you. The Zero-CAC engine is already running. So the only question left to ask yourself as you navigate the digital world is this: are you ready to transition from a passive consumer into an active protocol node? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep your eyes on the data.